Hello everyone. So today we are looking at another tutorial on JavaScript objects. So we started in previous classes to look at what objects are, and we say that objects are containers for storing multiple values. So they usually come in a key and value pair. So in today's class we are looking at creating objects using the constructor function. So let's look at it. So assuming we have a student object, let's assume we have a student object. So if we are going to use the object literal, so we have to do it in curly braces using the. So if our student object has three properties: first name, let's say John, and last name, Smith. And if we add another property, age 27. So this student property is having student object is having three properties: first name, last name, and the age. So this is an object in JavaScript, but there are some times that we need to create so many objects. So it is somehow cumbersome to start creating another object and also repeating this over and over. So one thing we can do is to use constructor function. So we are going to reproduce this same object using the constructor function. So this is how we do it: constructor function. So what we need to do is we use the keyword function to create the object. So we use function keyword and the name of the objects that we want to create. So when we use the constructor function method to create our object, it becomes a template that we can use to create other a number of objects. So let's look at it. So let's give it a new name, student. We can call it detail, and what we do is we open and closing brackets, and we can now say, so this is how to use the constructor function to create an object. So the properties that we want, we can put it in as a parenthesis. So we can say first name, and we can say last name, and we can say age. So what we do is we can now say we can now use this keyword. So in JavaScript, this is a substitute for the new object. The value of this becomes the new object when a new object is created. So what it means is we have to use this dot, and we can say first name equals to first name. And we can now say this does last name equals to last name. And we can also say this dot age equals to age. So we have created a constructor function. So let's look at how to create an object out of this constructor function. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to use the new keyword. So we can say student 1 equals to new student details. So what we need to do is we can just give the name. We can say Peter and the last name we can call it Peter Boris, and the age we can call it 32. So we have created an object out of our constructor function. So we can just access the first name of the object by saying student1 dot first name. So if we want to access the last name, we can say student1 dot last name. And if we want to access the age, we can say student1 dot age. So let's console.log .h. So let's go over to our terminal. Node class 3.js 32. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. We'll continue in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you. Click the like and subscribe button.